Hello students, you now see the exercise 13.4 based on frustum. Question number 1. A drinking glass of a shape of frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter. The diameter of two its circular ends are 4 centimeter and D1 is equal to 4 centimeter and D2 is equal to 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of the glass. Capacity of the glass means volume. So R1 is equal to 2 centimeter. R2 is equal to 1 centimeter. So capacity means volume. Capacity means volume, that is 1 by 3 pi h R1 square R1 R2 plus R2 square. Put the values. What is given R1 R2 and this, you will get the answer of capacity. Question number 2. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter. It is in centimeter cube you will get. You want, you can write ml or as it is. And the perimeter of its circular ends means C1, circumference it is called, 18 centimeter and C2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the CSA of the frustum. You want to find out CSA. So first you find out what is R1 and R2. L is given. So CSA means 2 pi R1 is equal to 18. Then what is R1? 18 upon 2 pi. 2 9 the 18, that is 9 by pi. By this 2 pi R2 is equal to 6. Then R2 is equal to 6 by 2 pi, that is 3 by pi. R1 and R2 you are getting. So CSA is equal to pi L R1 plus R2. No need to put the value pi. Keep in your mind. So pi L what is given? Slant height is given 4. In bracket what will you write? R1 R2 9 by pi plus 3 by pi. What will you get the answer? Pi into 4 into 9 plus 3, 12 upon pi. Pi and pi cancel, 48 centimeter square without any calculation. You are getting the answer 48 centimeter square. Very simple. Question number 3. A fetch, a cap. Birthday cap is a cone, but the fetch generally take the frustum. It is frustum type of the cap is here. One frustum. How many? It is this side open. It is open side because you want to put the cap on the head and it is a closed. Fetch and the turf is shaped like a frustum if it is a radius of open end is 10 centimeter. Open end radius is given. R2 is given 10 centimeter and closed R1 is given. How much? 10 centimeter and the upper base is 4 centimeter directly given. Its slant height is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Find the area of the material used to make it. Find the area of the material used to make it. Area of the material is equal to CSA plus base 1. CSA means pi L. L is given. What is L? 15. R1 4. R2 10. Pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square. Why R1 square? Because R2 is open. So R1 part you will write. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? A container opened from the top. A container is opened from the top. A container opened from the top and made up of the metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter. Of the radii of its lower and the upper end is 8 and 20. Open from the top and made of metal sheet and frustum. This is given question number 4. In the question number 4, it is given a container is like this. Open from the top. Crustal cone of height is 16 centimeter and radii of lower and upper is 8 and 20. It is 8 and it is 20 centimeter. R1 is equal to 8 centimeter, R2 is equal to 20 centimeter and its height is given how much? 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can be completely fill the container. At the rate of rupees, rate is given rupees 20 per liter. 20 per liter, how much cost? Also find the cost of metal. At the rate of rupees 8 per 100 metal sheet used to make container, if the cost is rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. Cost is given rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. It is the cost given for the metal. So both the things, pi 3.14, everything is given. So what will you do here? First you find out the milk means volume. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi h r1 square plus r1 r2 plus r2 square. Put the values pi r1 r2 r3. You will get the answer in the form of centimeter cube. Convert in ml. Same thing, centimeter and ml. Divide by 1000. You will get liter. Then cost is equal to volume multiplied by 20. You will get rupees. What is the volume coming? You multiply by 20. You will get the how much cost is required to fill it. Seat, area of seat. Area of seat is equal to CSA plus base 2. Because it is open from this, base 1. So, pi L R1 plus R2 plus base 2. Base 1 is pi R1 square. What is the R1? But what is the L? L is not given. L will be H square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Calculate L. Put this value here. You will get the answer in centimeter square. Area. Area of seat required. Because it is closed, it is open. So this area plus CSA of frustum you calculate, add, then cost will be area multiply by 8 by 100. It is your rupee. Because not 1 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square cost is rupees 8. Question number 5 is given here. Last question. Question number 5. What is the question number 5 given? It is also a part very important. Question 4 is over. Question number 5, last question of this chapter. After this optional exercise is left. In the question number 5, it is given a metallic right circular cone. A metallic right circular cone is here. Of height 20 centimeter. Whose vertical angle is 60 degree. It is given 60 degree. Isosceles triangle is there. Cut into the two parts of the from the middle. Cut into two parts from the middle. From middle you are cutting it. Then parallel to the base and frustum is obtained. There is two things you are getting. One you are getting this. Another you are getting this. Okay, and it is given 60 degree. And both the frustum, if the frustum is so obtained drawn into a wire, it is melt and drawn into a wire. By this part you are melting and forming the wire of diameter, whose diameter is given 1 upon 16 centimeter. Find the length of the wire. You want to find out length. This is melt and form the wire. What is the length of the wire? But first I find out it is a 20, it is 60, other thing is not given. How will you find out the volume of this? Means you want to find out R1 and R2. Then you will get this and this H. This H is equal to 10 centimeter. Why H is equal to 20 by 2, 10. Why? Because it is also H. Half. It is given half. Half means 20 centimeter is divided by 2 parts. So now how will you do it? For this first you draw a figure like this. A, B, C, D, E. It is R1 and it is R2. Apply the triangle here. It is a 30 degree because in isosceles triangle altitude bisect the vertex angle. So you get the 30 degree. Here R1 and it is 10. What will you get? By P upon B. Tan 30 is equal to P upon B, that is R1 upon 10. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So R1 is equal to R1 root 3 is equal to 10, then R1 is equal to 10 by root 3. Same thing you apply in this big triangle. What is the big triangle? Here is the big triangle. Here. It is called ADE. It is R2. Here angle how much? 30 degree. Because vertex angle, apply the trigonometry. It is 20. It is 10 and it is total height is 20, so 10, 10. So 20. R2 will be R2 upon 20 is equal to P upon B tan 30. Tan 30 1 by root 3. So R2 root 3 is equal to 20, then R2 is equal to 20 by root 3. You getting both the radius. Volume of frustum, volume of wire is equal to volume of frustum. Why? Volume of wire is equal to volume. Wire is a cylinder. It is a pi. What is the R of this? R is half of the diameter. That is half of 1 upon 16. You will get 1 by 32 centimeter. Centimeter is given. Pi here. So what is the volume? Volume of this wire is equal to pi R square and H. It is capital H. I am taking pi R square capital H. Here is small h. So what will you get? Volume of wire is pi R square capital H is equal to 1 by 3 pi H R1 square plus R1 R2 plus R2 square. It is the formula. Pi is cancelled from both the sides. R square is, what is here? R is given R1 by 32. 1 by 32 square into H I have taken X is equal to 1 by 3. Here H is 10. What is the length height or the height of the frustum? 10. Multiply by R1 square. What is the R1? 10 upon root 3. 10 by root 3 square. Plus 10 by root 3 into 20 by root 3. Plus 20 by root 3 square. It is the in bracket. Now all you solve. What will you get? All you solve, you will get left side 1 upon 32 into x is equal to 10 upon 3 in bracket 100 by 3 plus 200 by 3 plus 400 by 3. 700 by 3. And then you solve all. 3 is the LCM in the bracket. 32 will go that side. You find out x. By calculation, you will get in centimeter. If it is long, then you can calculate it into the meter. And you will get the how much of this wire length which is made from this. It is melted and form a thin wire and very long wire you will get. You are getting a wire and this wire will be in 1000 meters long, 7000, around 8000 meter long wire you will get from here. So that you have finished this chapter. Only optional exercise is left, that I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks for